How to accept money requests on Cash App. Really easy and simple. First things first, of course, go ahead and open up Cash App. Make sure you log into your account and then check your home screen for any pending requests. Then you just need to go to the Activity tab to basically see all your pending requests. Just tap on the clock icon, which is the Activity tab. Okay, at the bottom of the screen, this will show you your recent transaction and requests. Just look for any pending transactions or requests that need your approval. And requests will usually say requested next to the amount. Just tap on the pending request to view more details. Okay, and you can just go ahead and accept the money request. So just tap on pay or the accept button. Just review all the details, make sure everything is correct, then just tap on confirm to send payment. And once the request is accepted, you can go back to the activity tab to see the completed transaction. It's really that easy and simple. You can also go ahead and view the receipt as well. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.